Hi guys, welcome to my channel and hope you're having a great day or a great night. Today I have created this whole face with 5-minute craft makeup hacks. I'll just zoom you in so you can see what I have created with 5-minute craft makeup hacks. So sorry, this is the eyeshadow that I've created. This is the lips, the blush, the highlighter brush and this nail. So 64% of the people voted for 5-minute craft makeup hacks, and so I guess we'll be doing that today. And the other one which I had kept, that is doing my makeup according to chits. I'll be doing that also, but first, as you guys voted, I am doing this one today, and in the future I'll do my makeup according to chits as well. So now let's get started with the video, which is trying 5-minute craft makeup hacks. Let's get started. So the first hack is nose contour, and here she is applying liquid contour. Okay, so ouch. So the first hack is that she's applying nose contour to her specs or goggles. So I'll be applying liquid nose contour. I'll be applying liquid contour to both of the sides of the goggles. I'll be applying it with a brush. RIP to my shades. So I'm taking this shade. I am applying this to... yeah. Oh my god. It looks chocolatey. So yeah, I have applied it to both the sides of the shades. Now what she does is she wears her shades and she glides it in downward direction. So I'm going to do that. I'm wearing this. What the it has applied in the wrong way, and if I take another one, this is also in the same type, so I don't know. Let's blend it first. Okay. Now I just have to correct it with some concealer. Let's see how this turns out. Okay, this is not bad. Like, this is good, but if I have to just do it from this, then no, this is not the way and not the place I want my nose contour to be. So it was very far, and when I blended, it was all over my nose. With the concealer we can correct it, but honestly the normal technique, that is just applying liquid contour with a brush and then blending it, will save more time. So this hack will be 50-50 for me. Not too good, not too bad, but not so helpful. So let's try another hack. So next is blush. She's out of blush, so she is applying lip pencil on her hand, and then she is mixing foundation with it, and then she creates a liquid blush, and then she will apply it to her face. That will give her a glow as well. So instead of lip pencil, I think we can use lipstick as well. So we'll try it with lip pencil. Let's try it. So this is the lip pencil, and she's applying it on her hand like this. Enough. So she has applied the lip pencil in her hand like this. Then she's taking foundation. I think concealer would also be fine, but as she has taken foundation, we'll also take foundation. So a little bit of foundation. Yeah, this much is enough. So now we'll just blend this all in, and we'll apply it and see how this looks. Okay, it is actually looking quite good. So as this is foundation, I think this won't also move or fade away with time as the blush is powder blushes fade away with time, this will give you glow as well. I think this hack is 10 out of 10. You should try. I love this glue. Let's try another hack. So for the next hack, she doesn't have a color eyeliner, so she's scrapping some of her eyeshadow and then mixing it with the foundation, and then she'll create a colorful eyeliner. She's creating blue one. I will create orange because I'm wearing orange. So let's try this hack. I've scrapped the orange eyeshadow and now I'll be mixing some foundation with it. Let's try this. Little bit of foundation, and then now I'll mix it and then apply it to the eye. This is actually giving the foundation some color, but I think it changed the pigment of the eyeshadow a little bit, because the eyeshadow was a dark orange and it has now gone to this shade, which I expected it to be the color of my top, and now it is a different shade but of orange. So let's try it. All the best. Okay, so the shade changed completely, so as it's light I cannot see. So let's try this with a dark shade, I think. Yeah, let's try this with the dark shade. So I'm taking some blue here. So I've scrapped the blue eyeshadow and then I'm mixing some foundation in it. Let's see how this one turns out. Yeah, so it changes the shade. This was a dark blue and this is not dark blue anymore. This is a shade of blue, but this is not dark blue, so it will lighten the shade a little bit. Let's try this. So see, this got turned to a light shade of dark blue, but what we can do is, I think we can just touch up some eyeshadow to it so it will get back to the shade that we want. Yeah, see? So we have our colorful eyeliner. This hack was also 50-50 because the foundation changed the shade of the eyeshadow, and to get it back to the original shade you can just touch up the eyeshadow which you had scrapped. So this is helpful and working if you don't have colorful eyeliners. This looks pretty nice actually. So to this hack I added a little bit of my hack, then this hack is working. So yeah, it's a win. Now let's try another hack. Another hack, she is doing her lips like this and then she's applying the lipstick on her outer line, somewhat overlining it, and then her lips are voluminous. So let's try this. So she had a liquid lipstick and she had a red lipstick. We are also going to try it with a liquid and a red lipstick. All the best. What? So you definitely have to touch up. I don't like this hack. This is not giving me a clean lip and this is not giving me the shape that I desire for. So no, I don't like this hack because this is not giving me the lips I desire, but you can definitely try it. So yeah. So for the next hack, she's applying lipstick the regular way and then she's applying oil to it and then moving a glass over it. I think the finger can also do the same work. So I'll apply the lipstick and then be back. So then I don't have a lip oil but I do have a facial oil to this, and hope this does not ruin my base. So I'm just taking one drop. Because this is the oil, this will give shine, but if you don't have a lip gloss you can definitely try this hack. This hack is working, but I will tell the cons of this hack. So as this is oil, this makes the lipstick transfer. Not a good hack if you are wearing your lipstick for a long time. See, it makes the lipstick very transferable. For an alternative of a lip gloss, this hack is working. So for the next hack, so she's taking a sponge and then she's applying nail paint to it and then she is dipping her tip on the sponge and it is giving her a French manicure kind of a thing. So let's try this. So here is the sponge. We have the white nail paint and I'll apply the white nail paint on the sponge. Now I'll just... Okay, this hack works. You see, this hack definitely works. Wow. I'll do it once again because I enjoyed this hack. So you apply nail paint and then you don't let it dry and then you just... Wow. You just have to do a little bit touch up. But oh my god, this looks so good. So if you want a French manicure at home, then this hack definitely works and I love this hack. This looks so good and it also gives the same finish. Definitely a win-win and a 10 on 10 hack. I was shocked by the results and you should definitely see which hack works and which hack doesn't work. Some hacks were pass, some hacks were fail, but the hacks that pass, that will change your life. And let me know if you want a part 2 for this video as well. Yeah, hope you like the video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Do follow me on Instagram and keep dropping ideas in the comment section, or you can just DM me. Leave your feedback in the comment section. I would love to read them and your feedback matters the most. Yeah, so hope you like the video and ta-da!